Making her way to the stage, she's already saying hello to everybody.
You know, Joy, I love your gown.
Oh, thank you.
Kapag pagod ka na, sasandal ka lang.
True. Ano yan, neck brace? Well, candidate number 13, I also like your hair. Saan ka galing?
I actually came from Bangi. Ang lalaki ng windmills at medyo natanga yung buho.
That explains representing your province very well. Now, candidate number 13, some say that 13 is an unlucky number. Do you believe that?
It is actually one of the things that I would like to change to the mindset of the people. Number does not tell whether you're lucky or not. It is up to you and how you prepare and how you're going to manifest the crown.
So what can you say about Master Hans Kua? She said my lucky number is 7.
Well, I agree.
Congratulations. Well, yeah, you can pick your
Yeah,
SDG.
before anything that, I would like to take this opportunity because I don't know if I still have the chance to hold the mic later. I would like to thank my manager, Mami Milton Salinas, and Mother Glenise, Mark Tagyang Aquino, and of course my handler, Alexis Bermudez. Thank you so much po.
Fantastic. Thank you for that. All right.
Thank you ako, sila hindi.
That's true. Very polite. And you said baka hindi mo na mahawakan yung mic mamaya. You wanna hold it now?
Okay
Hindi ko
na.
nabibitawan.
Sayo na yan. Sayo na yan. Please select one STG from our fishbowl. Your destiny is in your hands. Literally. We have number 3. Please flash it on our screens. All right. We have good health and well-being. What a beautiful topic. Good luck, candidate number 13.
The Sustainable Development Goals was a vision in action that was crafted by the United Nations. And one of the closest to my heart is good health and well-being. Let us not forget one of the popular saying, health is wealth. Therefore, I think it is important that starting in Candon City, one of the smallest particles of society, we should promote our well-being and our health because that's what truly matters. Aanhin natin ang pera, aanhin natin ang kayamanan at ang napakagandang bagay kung ang ating kalusugan ay nawawala. Ladies and gentlemen, sustainability is not just about protecting our health. Sustainability is about protecting our future and in making sure that the next generation will inherit a world that is fair, inclusive, and health will be protected.
The confidence, the assertiveness. Let's give a big round of applause for candidate number 13. Maraming salamat. I
Parang
love it.
hahawak ulit siya ng mic mamaya. Let's